everyone, welcome back to my channel with another new recipe, 4 different types of dosa. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for all my future video notifications. So today we'll be making onion uttappam, cheese dosa, podi dosa and ghee roast. The first one is onion uttappam, so I'm making the toppings for it. I've taken finely chopped 1 onion and 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves and salt, squeezing and mixing it together. Into the tawa, I'm making a slightly thicker dosa so that the onion toppings can sit well on it. So now we will add the toppings and press it slightly with a spatula. As an option, you can add dosa puri on top of it. I really like the taste. If you do not like it, you can skip that step. So we will close and cook for 1 minute and then we will flip and roast the other side. When we flip and roast, the onion also will get slightly brown and it will taste much better. So yeah, we are done with this. Serve hot with chutney or sambar. So the next one is ghee roast. Ghee roast is supposed to be really thin and crispy. So we will oil the tawa and make dosa as thin as possible and add generous amount of ghee because it's ghee roast. Spread the ghee on top using your spatula and close and cook until it separates from the tawa. Yeah, can you see that getting separated from the tawa? Now it's golden and crispy. So we can take it out from the tawa without flipping and have it along with sambar or chutney. So yeah, that is crisp and golden. So the next one is podi dosa. Into the hot tawa, I am making slightly a thicker dosa like we did for onion uttappam and allow it to bubble completely so that the one side is cooked well. So now sprinkle dosa podi as per your need. There is no limit for it. And also, I am adding ghee on top of the dosa and around the dosa. Spread the ghee on top of the dosa podi. The color looks so good when the ghee and dosa podi mixes well together. So close and cook until one side is done and then flip and roast the other side. That's all. Your colorful podi dosa is ready to serve hot along with sambar or chutney. Isn't it yummy and colorful? So the next one is a special one, cheese dosa. Let us make the dosa slightly thicker than the ghee roast. Allow it to cook, and if you have pizza sauce at home, do use that as a spread over this dosa. But I tried a new one. I mixed 1 tablespoon of curd with 1 teaspoon of idli podi and spread it over this dosa. Trust me, it tasted much better than pizza sauce. You can also try and tell me how did it turn out to be in the comment section. Add ghee or butter around the dosa for the crispness, and it's time for the topping. So I had onion, capsicum and tomato at home. I'm using that. So if you have jalapenos or olives, you can use that also. That will also taste much better. And then comes the real ingredient, cheese. Add generous amount of cheese and sprinkle your seasoning, whatever you have at home. I sprinkle pepper over this. If you have oregano or chili flakes, you can add that also on top of this. Close and cook until the cheese melts. That's all. Your yummy cheese dosa is ready in minutes. You can serve hot with your favorite dip or have it as it is. Get rid of the usual dosa, make these 4 different types of dosa and surprise your partners and people at home. Do tell me how did it turn out to be in the comment section, and also suggest me the recipes that I have to try for you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel, and also press the bell button for all my future video notifications. Thank you.